I've been doing some penetration tests on all these different pellets you see here. I've done one shot with each, the Logan, then the Bisley Pest Control, the RWS Super Hollow Point, Crossman Destroyer, a Gammo Rainbow, Norica Killer, a Bisley Magnum and the JSB Exacts. They all deformed quite well. They deformed in such a manner that I can't really tell which is which. The ball I can make out, but the others it's more or less a guess. But they all deformed quite well. Quite pleased with the results. So now I'll show you the shots taken and then I'll show you the results from each of these pellets. As you saw from some of the shots, they were a little bit low. The Logan Penetrator just under the target. The Bisley Pest Control was quite low considering. And I'm rather surprised the Super Hollow Point was the lowest, although it was probably the lightest pellet. The Destroyer was just on the edge. The ball was very low, but I wouldn't have thought that being an accurate pellet anyway, the rainbow, so I'm not surprised it flew off a little bit. The Norica Killer was a little bit low, but the Bismag was online and the JSB, that was spot on. Each of these, they did penetrate this first layer of tin. Just shooting into some biscuit tins. You can see the hole there by the Logan. I class that as the best one. The Bisley Pest Control, it dented. The RWS Super Hollow Point didn't even make a mark. Destroyer was a bit of a dimple. The ball made a hole. The Norica Killer, that made a small dent. The Big Mag, like the Logan, it pierced it, and the JSB also pierced the tin as well for the second layer. The Logan made the biggest hole. The Bismag split it open, made a very good dent. The JSB, that made a good dent and a small split. The ball made a reasonably good hole, but there's no dent with it. So far you can see there are a difference now after reaching 2 layers. On the third layer of tin, the JSB made a reasonable good dent. The Bismag, it seemed about the same sort of height of dimple, or the same depth, whichever way you're looking at it. But the top part, the crest of it, was just a little bit smaller than the JSB. The Logan pierced very well, but it didn't actually go through. It made a very large dimple effect. And the ball down there, it got a small dimple. All the others didn't even mark this, so you can tell by that, I think, as far as penetration goes, the Logan was the best. The Bismag and the JSB were a very close second.